Greetings, wonderful members of the Scholarship Guidebook community. In today's video, I'll guide you about Hamad bin Khalifa University Scholarship. The best part about the Hamad bin Khalifa University Scholarship is, you can apply without an IELTS score, and you will not require to pay any application fee. Additionally, each applicant receives a monthly stipend of 5,000 Qatari Riyal for personal expenses. So in this video, I'll provide comprehensive information on scholarship summary, overview of the scholarship program, including key details and benefits. Scholarship benefits, description of the financial and academic support provided to scholarship recipients. Available fields, lists the academic disciplines or programs eligible for the scholarship. Eligibility criteria, requirements and qualifications necessary for applicants to be considered for the scholarship. Documents required, list of necessary documents that applicants must submit with their scholarship application. How to apply, step-by-step instructions for the application process, including links and guidance. Online apply video guide, for students facing challenges with the online application process, I have created an instructional video. Simply click on the link provided in the video description or comment sections. But before we dive into the video, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel for future updates. If you find the content informative, a thumbs up would mean the world to me. And, of course, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Your engagement and support are immensely appreciated. Scholarship summary. The scholarship program offered by Hamad bin Khalifa University in Qatar provides fully funded opportunities for undergraduate, master's, and PhD degrees. Bachelor's degrees require a minimum of 4 years, with applicants needing a GPA of at least 2.5 or 60% in high school. Master's and MPhil programs last 2 years and require a GPA of 3.0 or higher, while PhD candidates can expect a duration of 3 to 4 years, also with a minimum GPA of 3.0. Don't miss out on these amazing scholarship opportunities. Be sure to apply for the Vienna Biocenter Scholarship 2025, IST University Scholarship, and Politecnico di Milano Scholarships 2025, requiring no IELTS. Explore fully funded scholarships without IELTS for 2025 that include 19 best scholarships, as well as the KMU Taiwan scholarships. Take advantage of these fantastic offers. Scholarship benefits. The scholarship program offers comprehensive benefits, including full tuition coverage for all academic programs. Recipients receive a monthly stipend of Qatari Riyal 3,000 for bachelor's students, Qatari Riyal 5,000 for master's students, and Qatari Riyal 7,500 for PhD candidates. Additionally, accommodation and annual return airfare are provided, along with family housing for married students. Available fields. Hamad bin Khalifa University offers diverse disciplines, including Islamic studies, humanities, science and engineering, law, health and life sciences, and public policy, featuring programs at the bachelor's, master's, and PhD levels across various specialized fields. Eligibility criteria. International and Qatari students. The scholarship program welcomes applications from all international students as well as Qatari nationals, promoting a diverse academic community. Strong academic background. Applicants must demonstrate a solid academic record, which can include research publications, relevant work experience, and other achievements. Bachelor's degree requirements. To apply for a bachelor's program, candidates must have a minimum GPA of 2.5 or 60% marks in their high school education. Master's degree requirements. Applicants must possess a relevant bachelor's degree with a GPA of 3.0 or higher to qualify for a master's program. PhD degree requirements. candidates for a PhD must have earned a master's degree or its equivalent in a relevant field, maintaining a minimum GPA of 3.0. English language proficiency exemptions. Applicants may be exempt from the English language requirement, 6.5 on the IELTS or 79 on the TOEFL, if they meet one of the following criteria. They have completed their studies in an institution located in a country where English is the native language. They can provide official documentation from a university stating that English was the medium of instruction for their degree. Their first language is English. Documents required: academic transcripts and degrees, official transcripts and certificates demonstrating previous educational qualifications are required for verification of academic performance. Completed application form. Applicants must fill out and submit the university's official application form, ensuring all sections are accurately completed. Standardized English test scores or English proficiency certificate. Submission of standardized English test scores, such as IELTS or TOEFL, or a certificate proving English proficiency is necessary unless exempted. 2 letters of recommendation. Applicants should provide 2 letters of recommendation from academic or professional references who can attest to their qualifications and suitability for the program. Personal statement. A well-crafted personal statement detailing the applicant's academic interests, motivations, and career goals is required. Resume or CV. A current resume or curriculum vitae outlining the applicant's academic background, work experience, and relevant skills must be included. Copy of passport or identification document. A photocopy of a valid passport or another identification document is necessary for identity verification. Research proposal. If applicable for specific programs, a detailed research proposal outlining the intended area of study may also be required, along with any other relevant documents. Deadline. The application deadline for the Hamad bin Khalifa University Scholarship 2025 is 2nd February 2025 for international students and 13th March 2025 for Qatari applicants. How to apply? Create an account. Begin by creating a user account on the university's application portal. Fill the online application form. Complete the online application form with all required information. Upload documents. Upload the necessary documents as specified in the application guidelines. Submit your application. Review your application and submit it for consideration. For those interested in applying, please click on the Apply button to begin the process. Online Apply video guide will show you how to create a new account and verify your email. Then, complete the application form accurately, ensuring all sections are filled out correctly. Upload the necessary documents and review your application for any errors before final submission.